in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is the Ascenso Marathon 2026 as we celebrate the 78th charter anniversary of our beloved city of Azamis and Feast of the Birhen Zapata. This morning, so it's gonna be good morning, has been made possible because of the support from our Ascenso leaders, and that is why we are thanking with the generosity, the kindness, you will know later, ganay mga pasabog ng mga prizes. We thank, of course, the father of Ascenso here in the province of Misamis Occidental, our very hardworking governor, at Attorney Henry Sevilla Waminal, tumapakan si Gov, na ay parapol na special ang ihatag yun si governor. So aside sa raffle na unta, na ay mga pasabog na ang additional 100,000 pesos. Of course, na ay nag 1,000, nag 5,000, na ay 10,000. And later on, ato nang ipanghatag. Of course, we are thanking atong equally hardworking representative of the 2nd District of Misamis Occidental. Thank you very much, Congressman Sancho Fernando Ando Fuentes Waminal, atong pagpakan usab si Kong Ando. Kay 3 pillars mo ng times 3 and more ang ato ang mga pasabog, mga papremyo for the Ascenso Azamis Marathon 2026 because naa na usab ang ato ang representative sa Ascenso Pinoy Party List, Congressman Attorney Henry Indy Fuentes Waminal Jr. Atong pakpakan si Kong Indy kay kauban sa silang tulo ang 3 pillars na nagsuporta ug naghigugman natong tanang mga misamis nun. And of course, we have the equally hardworking and supportive city government officials headed by our city mayor, Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, Vice Mayor Simplicia Bebineri, tanan nga mga city councilors, tanan nga ato mga leaders atong pakpakan. There you go. Earlier, we have with us City Councilor John Pel Duhay Lungsod nga. Mabalik pa siya later. And with us, we say good morning, na good evening ko ganiha. Good morning to our City Administrator, Ma'am Rodessa Grace Owano. Good morning, Ma'am Bisay. Alright. O ka natong tanan magpakalakpakan tagdahan. Let's go! Kaning uban kasi nag-reserve pa silang energy, no? Kay 42 km yata ang good ni. O nang-reserve kayo lang mga energy para masugakot yun. Today, this morning, we're celebrating strength, endurance, unity sa atong pag-Ascenso. Kanunay, Ascenso Azamis. And we are thanking, of course, our dear sponsors, Bioderm, Ethyl Alcohol, Omega, Saga, Nature Spring, Tanduay Athletics, Cribs Diner, Filusa, Macdo, Prime Fresh, Gloria Bazaar, Rhea Alcohol, Clean, Ciped Dental Clinic, Remy Bakery, Chowking, and of course, for the gas. Later on, aside from giving the prizes sa ato mga winners in the 42 km, 21 km, 10 km, and 3 km, we'll also have the raffle prizes and also the raffle prize gikan or prizes from Governor Waminal and our provincial officials amounting to 100,000 pesos. Which is, of course, acknowledging pala, sorry, Cons, acknowledging City Councilor Binky Suizo Jr. Alright, good morning, Cons. Nagani, nakakita ko ni Cons. Ayan, good morning, madam. Kaya si Cons gusto gid siya sa Zumba gid siya. Kaya, di ba, Cons? And then ako ang Zumba leaders, mag-Zumba man ta later. So magsugod tag 12 sa oras, mga 12:30 somehow. Dapat ang Zumba padayon yung taman sa 4 o'clock ang last nga schedule or batch for the Zumba. So Zumba for the 42 kilometers nga mga runners. Zumba, why undang taman moabot ang mga 21 km runners. Ingon man ang mga 10 km runners o 3 km runners. Mas mag-Zumba po dahil sila, masago pa dahil sila sa 42 km. Kang ilang Zumba man, 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. Of course, no, slightly delayed na ta, pero to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Again, welcome everyone. Especially ang ato mga 42 kilometers nga mga runners. So I'm sure si Ma'am Tisay, si Constantine, mga 42 km ni ilang target, no? Or inaamang yun sila. Kung naamang galing 3 km, welcome gihapon no. Good na ning ani kag 12 a.m. Ang dagan sa 3 km kay sa ganilang schedule sa nang junction. Okay, so mga 3 km, ang ilang gunshot will be 4 a.m. So sa mga may ating 12 a.m., welcome gihapon mo. Here we go. Kay welcome ang everyone din sa pag-open na nato sa ato ang Ascenso Ozamis Marathon 2026, most especially ang ato mga 42 km runners. Mo ni ang pinakakusgan, pinaka-isog, the bravest, the strongest, the most enduring na mga runners, and I'm sure they've been preparing for this.
Sa kalsada ng asenso, sabay-sabay ang galaw.
Of course, we acknowledge our participating teams as early as now. Amo-among ipasalamatan because ingon pa sila, no man is an island kanina to mga runners. They don't come here alone. That is why we only celebrate strength. We also celebrate unity and teamwork. So we acknowledge, of course, our participating runners from Misamis Occidental. We have 556 registered runners from our very own